Hey, it's Teo. Welcome to Bird Watching with Tao. Today we're at a spot northeast of the city in a swampy, marshy area, and it's beautiful. The yellowhead blackbirds are loving it. I'm also on the lookout for some more rare sparrows. I'm just tucked in here with the bison berries hiding from the wind. It's a beautiful spot, lots of cool birds. Hopefully I get some shots of sedge wrens, which I haven't before, as well as I heard a common yellowthroat nearby calling. So good stuff out here. You can hear the sedge wren, but I can't see it. It's a very small bird. I've only seen them briefly and haven't yet managed to get any footage of one. So I'd be delighted if I could see it. So I was having a lot of trouble seeing the sedge wren. I knew it was there, but they're so good at hiding thick in the branches, you can't see them even if they're calling really clearly. Then I used this trick that my neighbor told me about. Using the Merlin ID app, I found the sedge wren and then I played a recording of the sound. And right away it shot out and had its head up, popping around, looking, and you can see in the footage that it's looking around for something, and now it's making territorial defense calls. This isn't something that I would do normally, and I wouldn't want to bother too many birds, but these sedge wrens are quite common in this area, and I really wanted to see one. there was a duck making a ruckus and flying away. And then sure enough, overhead, I saw a Swanson's hawk, and it circled around a couple times, even came overhead and did some cries. So that was quite cool. Hawks are a type of bird that I hope to become more familiar with and get more time to see, because I don't see them that often. They're often high up or in hard places to identify or get good looks at. That was a lot of fun. It was my first time coming here. I kind of stumbled upon it. It's a really nice prairie marshy spot, and I'll definitely be back. There's some hills that overlook the ponds that I couldn't really get to today that I'll come check out, and I might come in the evening or the morning. Thanks so much for joining me on today's adventure of bird watching with Pow. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, life is beautiful. Do what makes you happy.